I've got the picture-perfect, quintessential beach day today at the Splash Resort on the west end of Panama City Beach to talk about condos. If you're looking for a vacation rental condo that produces income and is also great for families, especially the little ones, I've got something special for you. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to show you two condos today. Splash 403 East is for sale. It's a one-bedroom, two-bath with bunks, fully furnished, solid surface flooring all the way throughout. 906 West is also being offered for sale. It's a two-bedroom, two-bath unit, Sleep 6, also solid surface flooring throughout. Let's take a look around. All right, that's the inside of a one-bedroom, two-bath with bunks at Splash. Now let's talk amenities for a second. The amenities at Splash are really incredible, especially for families with little ones. On the ground floor, there's a complete water park that runs between the two buildings. There's a bucket that pours water on the kids, they love it. There's an entire lazy river section. There's a splash pad section for the little ones. And there's a bar outside, making easy access for snacks and drinks. I'm standing in the really well-equipped Gulffront Fitness Center. There's also an ice cream shop that serves coffee, breakfast, and lunch. And right across the street is this awesome, huge Alvin's Island beach shop. There it is, fantastic amenities, right? Okay, let's go look inside of a two-bedroom, two-bath at Splash. Splash 403 East and 906 West. Splash, again, they're tremendous condos, especially if you're looking for heavy rental income. They're great for families with little ones. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. My number is 850-527-0221. Thanks for watching.